Hello everyone, welcome back to this house of fashion. Hope you have fun every day. Today's episode is going to be on how to cut this lovely short dress with let me say is 90-degree flare, because this is not up to 180 and it's not 360-degree flare, so this is just 90-degree. So the way I'm going to fold it out now is 90-degree, it's not 180-degree, because it's not up to that triangle folding that we normally fold out. So to cut out this particular style, you will need up to 4 yards of any fabric you are making use of. It has a pleat, it's an outer pleat at the down part, at the knee side. When you check it very well, it's like it has an outer pleat at the knee side, so that is why you'll be able to use 4 yards of any fabric. So the first folding here is into 2, then I'll be folding it into 4, because we are cutting for both back and front. You can see the folding is like a slant A line, which is a 90 degrees, not up to 180 degree. It is when you fold it to give you a real triangle that is 180 degree. So since we've already folded this into 4, I'll now start the measurement. Before you can take the measurement, you start from this edge, the shortest edge there. Then you see where you can have your length. So this is where I can have my own length, and I'm having like 20. So from that, I'm going to slant it up. This is without putting any slant shoulder, so I'm just slanting my treble. When you want to cut the shoulder, just slant. When you check out the style, you see how slant the shoulder is. So just slant your treble to get your shoulder measurement, and you have some inches there. You can see the way I'm slanting it up. By the time I'm cutting it out, you're going to see it properly than this. So after this, now I will now take the arm measurement. That is the point of the shoulder, where the shoulder reach. So the arm measurement is from here, you can see. Then I'm going to take the arm measurement to be 5 as well, 5 inches, you can see now. Then from the arm, that is where we're going to take our bust measurement. The bust measurement is 26, that is 6.5 inches. So with the same allowance of 1 inch, that's what I'm adding to it. So the next thing here is to connect it to the shoulder. So to get our arm, you can see the line of the arm, you can see with the allowance of the bust. So from here now, I'm going to slant it down to the full length here, but I'm still going to take the proper measurement of the length, because we're going to start from the center, front and back like this, then take the 20 inches, and that is what we're going to take round. When you're taking your length on a flare or on a triangle or flare, which is 180, or on a 90-degree flare like this, you have to take it round from the center of both back and front to get the perfect length, so that one edge will not be longer than the other. So you can see the way I'm trying to connect everything. So I'll now connect everything together like this, so we now have a round shape at the down part of the dress. After the connections, the next thing here is to cut it out. So I'm starting from the upper part here to the arm. So we are done with the cutting of the body. The next thing to cut out here is going to be the neckline, and you can see the center. But before then, let me take out the length. Yes, it's okay. You can see when you take it from here, from the shoulder there, it will be more than the line. So you take it from the center of both back and front, so everything will be equal. So after that, I will now take the length, that's the wideness of the neck. I'll be making use of 2.5 inches wideness. Then the deepness also is going to be 1 inch. I'll connect it together by cutting it. Then this is for both back and front. I will now remove one, so that I can load the neckline to give us the front neckline, you understand. So I'll now come down with 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches is here, you can see. So 1.5 inches plus 1 inch, that means the front neckline is 2.5 inches deeper, and the back neckline is 1 inch. You can see it now. So the next thing here is to cut out the slit at the back. You can see how the shoulder slants. So that's is the way you slant your tepu while taking the shoulder. So this is automatically giving out the shoulder slant. So I'll now fold this into two, then take the length at which I want my slits to reach. I'm taking it at 3 inches, you can see. So that means 3 inches deep down. I will now slit it. I will slit it down here. You can see to this point. Then I can bias the neckline after joining the two shoulders, then add my loop to it, then add my button. And you can as well make use of a zip if you like, but here I'm using this to cut out the sleeve. When you see the sleeve, you can see the sleeve is very short. It's very short sleeve, so I'll be folding this into four, then take the length of my sleeve first. So I'll be stopping the length of this sleeve at 6 inches. I want it to be 6 inches, and the 6 inches I'm talking about is with the seam allowance. I made the folding at the edge of the sleeve. Then you're going to fold it into two, you understand. Then now come down to 3 inches here, then try to sketch out the sleeve shape. Then from here, from this point, I'm going to take the wideness of the upper part of the sleeve, which is going to be this is the down part of the sleeve. I can start from here also using 4 inches here. Then I come here, I will now use 5 inches here, 5 inches. That 4 inches, that means the radius of the sleeve over there is 8. At 5 inches, that means the radius of the sleeve over there is 10. So I will now connect everything together, you can see. So after the connections, then I will now cut out the shape of the sleeve. And here is it. You can see the shape. Then let me cut it out. So this is after cutting out the sleeve. Then I'm notching the center so as to know when you are adding it to your, when you are stitching into your armor. And this is what I'm using for the pleats, the down plate. The single one of this is going for the front, and the other one is going for the back. And the wideness of this now, I mean the length that I'm going to take measurement of now, is 1 yard 30 inches. It's not up to 2 yards. 1 yard 30 inches, and the other one too is 1 yard 30 inches. So if and I compare it with the roundness of this area now, the roundness of the down part we are adding into. So this area, the roundness of this particular one must be smaller than what you're going to use to make a plate. You can see. So maybe the roundness of your dress is, let me say, is 40. So you can triple it like by making 40 in 3 places, so that you have a very fine plate at the down part. So you can see now. So this is how we are going to plate it, by taping this in first. You can also whip it if you like, but you fold it into two, you stitch it down, then you now bring it to the upper part of this dress, then you plate it on it. So we are done with the cutting. This is the body, here is the back, then this is the sleeve, and these are the two straight cuts that we're going to use to make a pleat. So here is after joining everything together. You can see the plate, you can see the upper part of the dress, you can see the neckline, you can see the slant shoulder. This is the sleeve, you can see the folding of the sleeve also. So this is the back. We're going to add a loop to the back here, then add our buttons to it. So this is the back of the dress. You can see the down part also. So we're still going to fold this in. I'll be folding it in like this, then I'll stitch it. You can see, so to make it neat. And you can see the outer plate around the down part of the half cut before making the full dress. So you can see it, and you can see how beautiful this turns out. If you're watching me for the first time, what are you waiting for? Just have to subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And for those who have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video always. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.